Welcome back. Continuing the news. Persons who have identified themselves as volunteers with the Ministry of Labour and Social Security are describing the program to assess damage to households affected by Hurricane Melissa as ad hoc and disorganized. The volunteers have raised concerns about the integrity of the assessment process, pointing to instances where the work of different teams has overlapped in some areas. They say this duplication has created confusion and raised questions about the accuracy and coordination of the damage assessments. Kirk Wright has the details.
The volunteers have complained about what they describe as scant regard shown to them by managers of the program at the Labour Ministry in Kingston, adding that poor communication and a lack of clear direction have hampered their efforts.
We are basically like victims of Melissa. We are attending to people who were victims of Melissa, and to see the devastation that they face. And we too on the ground are facing this devastation.
They claim in one instance, a program administrator largely dismissed their attempts to register their dissatisfaction with how they were being treated.
The powers that be, the coordinators and the persons in the office, they don't care zero about volunteers, to the point that I heard that one of the managers in the office blurted out, "Them a volunteer." So because you are volunteering, any old thing goes. You don't sign anything to say if you are damaged or anything. They will compensate you. They will take care of your medical bills. Nothing.
The individuals question the expectation that they should complete the task in a timely manner when many hours are passed before they're assigned their daily duties. They say they've had to traverse hilly and sometimes treacherous terrain to reach the affected household in the boiling sun with not even a first aid kit.
Persons have been working in the different areas for months, since November, and they were only given a little snack bag in the morning, and they were given a bottle of Gatorade, and they were given you're given some small cool water to drink. You don't get any protective gear. We were told that we were given some type of things to identify us, vest to wear. That never happened. When rain is falling, we have to be out there in the rain. We're supposed to we have to mash up one of shoes we have to wear and mash up. The amount of people lose them clothes and shoes since them start doing volunteering. It's unbelievable, because they don't give you nothing at all to equip you to do the job that you are doing. Some of the people in the country, they're used to, they're kind of living here. But when they tell you, okay, there's another house around the corner or down the road there, so when they're telling you that it's actually 1 mile or 2 miles that you have to go to another household or another family, and we are traveling right around different communities.
While the program nears its end, they say the number of volunteers have dwindled significantly because of what they refer to as inhumane conditions they're forced to work under. They say reports that the parish of St. Anne has been properly assessed is in question because repeated trips to attend to that parish were cancelled. They say for the program to be wrapped up at month end is senseless because its disorganized nature has led to many of the affected areas not being visited by them. When contacted, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security said it's preparing a response. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.